Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Boozman Outdoors. Today we're out at Lake Pleasant, and to be exact, up in the Castle Creek finger. And we're doing a little bit of everything today. So far, I have got a striper trolling. I've had a monster largemouth up on the far end. And I have fought a couple catfish so far. More got off than I landed, but it's been fun. I got some new apparel as well. I got the nice official Boozman Outdoor shirt, courtesy of my mom. Thank you, Mom. Love you bunches. Oh, she also got my wife one, so we're matching, so that'll be fun. But it's been a beautiful day. I got out here about 6:30. It was a little chilly, it's about 60 degrees, and now it's currently sitting at 75. The water temperature has gone up significantly, so the spawn should be kicking off hard, literally any day. So, stay tuned and y'all see what's about. I keep marking like a lot of fish. If you guys can see this at all these up here, these lines, these are all fish marks. You can see them, relative size over here. And there's a nice tree sitting there about, it's probably about 10 foot high, up in the 30 foot mark. I'm trolling right at the 25 foot mark, and I'm dragging it right in front of their faces. Haven't had nothing yet. I'm getting pretty far back in here. We'll see if I can find a nice pocket somewhere, do some bass fishing. I'm gonna pull in these trolling lines. This right here is a nice shallow plateau that looks like a nice place to try doing some bass fishing, so let's give that a go. There's got to be a significant ledge around here. So I'm sitting in 44 foot of water, and there's shrubs surfacing right there, and my line just snapped. That was cool. Well, that rod's done today. Weird. Since they're surfacing so much, I'm gonna use this top water. Shallow. We gonna make it. We can do it. Woo! That was a close one. So I decided to switch to a rooster tail, just because these fish are real subtle and not aggressive. Just a little smaller profile bait. So let's try that out. Oh, there's one. I think. Maybe. Yeah, that's a fish. All right. You're good luck, ma'am. I've been fishing all day. I haven't got a bite. There he goes. It was on a rooster tail. Yeah, he spit it. I thought that was a snag. That was a big one. Oh, like you got up too. You got all excited. Down. Dang it. Damn it. And that right there is why they close all the parks. Kids just up there throwing beer bottles, glass ones, off the cliff, smashing them on the rocks and doing all that dumb stuff. So, awesome. These children. Crazy. This pisses me off. I don't understand people, honest to God. And these are just the ones that are floating. I watched them chuck at least 20 bottles into the water or onto the rock ledge over there where they're shattering. Just not even counting their normal trash. I keep wondering why rules keep getting stricter and stricter out here at these county parks and state game lands and everything, and why we're not allowed to camp anymore. I can't overland in my Jeep, you know, and that's a prime example of why. I think I'm gonna find a spot to anchor right in here and see if I can relax and maybe catch a couple catfish. I'm thinking honestly about taking a little nap here. I got a nice comfy setup. Rods are in, fish are at the bottom. DC's already sleeping. Good to go. Fish. There's a fish. Like catfish, I bet you. Yep, nice catfish. Barking at me. All right. Oh no! Dizzy, what's that? You give him kisses? No, 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 you don't eat. We'll eat quick. Alright, so I snapped the line off on the snag. So I'm gonna move spots and troll along the way while I fix that other line. Alright, so unfortunately the wind picked up and my battery is dying, so I'm gonna have to steal my sonar battery to operate my motor. So good news is I'll have plenty enough juice to get back. Bad news is I won't know how deep I'm trolling. So, no. Oh, I made an oopsie. Fudge. It's definitely working, it's getting longer. That should work, I think. Oh yeah, she's off. Look at that. I just picked up a fish trolling, I think. I'm gonna turn it on low. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a fish there. Come on. I'm so happy I got one trolling. That was my goal today, was to get one trolling. This was on a rooster tail. Oh, he's taking off. I haven't seen the diver plate yet. Oh, there it is. There's a diver plate. All right, need the net. Where's he at? Oh, it's a little one. It's a little one. He fought so well. Come here. All right. Don't hook me. Man, he fought so well. I was worried about ripping it out of him. They're so fun to catch. Honest to God, this is my favorite fish to catch. Hey. Hey, that one? Yeah, you can't eat him though. You smell him. He's a nice guy. Let's make sure he's good. Let's make sure he's good. Normal Buzz, you're fine. You're good. You done? There you go. Up again, trolling. There we go. As we're going right past that buoy, snagged into one. Same depth, probably about 45 foot down. Oh, I think I lost him. Yep. Oh, no, he swam right in. Well, he's nothing like the other guy. Can't get much smaller, Bubbas. Can't get much smaller. He swam right up to the boat. That's always fun. I thought he came off. You weak? You're weak. Oh, he's jizzing on me. Yuck. Spawn is starting. There he goes, off he goes. Get big, make babies. But I'm telling you, that rooster tail is working a lot better than anything else I've used today. So both the largemouth down there and both of these stripers have been on the rooster tail. Almost back now. Hey y'all, thanks for watching Boozman Outdoors, and I appreciate you guys continuing to watch my channel for those of you that do. I do have to ask though, you guys don't even have to subscribe. Just click that like button and it really helps out the algorithm. Try to get myself a little more impressions, a little more views, and hopefully get a nice follower base. But if it doesn't happen, hey, I'm still having fun. It doesn't matter, I can show my kids one day. But anyways, I am gonna be heading to Texas next week. Yes, early next week I'll be driving to Texas for a whole month. I'll be down there for work. But during that time, I've definitely taken this kayak. My wife's flying in to visit, and I may be renting a boat. There's some nice waters down there, and I've had some of my best nights of fishing there as well. So stay tuned for that, and we will definitely be kicking something out. So hey everyone, welcome back to Boozman Outdoors. Don't know if I'm put this in the last video or not, but I ended up calling the fire department because I spotted a wildfire up there, and the guy that was camping there took off. So he was in a champagne colored Tahoe, two males in the 30 to 40s up front, worn down, early 2000s Tahoe with worn down paint, stock rims and everything like that, just beat to hell. So good for them, you know, just lacking responsibility. There's a bunch of people down there still. They never left. So hopefully they know something else more than I do. But it crest over the hill there. Initially when I first got here, it was just that little patch right there to the left, and it just kept going. So fun stuff. But we are, anyways, right outside the Castle Creek entrance. So like if you went to the north end of the Lake Pleasant, that's the turnoff you'd make right there. And it's Carefree Highway. And it's that little gate that's normally closed. So. The white one's the park ranger? No? Yeah. Oh, I'd be furious. Sending my wife to Pennsylvania right now.
Oh, yeah.
So I did a good deed today. Made a phone call and I sat by and watched. Nah, they're probably just gonna control it and let it burn itself. So I'm gonna head out of here now. Peoria definitely took care of the problem. They had it contained probably within the first 10-15 minutes and it's knocked out now. So thankfully it's not fire ban season yet and it's not totally dry out, but I would say by the time it crested over the hill it probably had at least 5 to 6 acres were taken out. So, but good job to all those guys and I'll catch you all next week.